BTS Dynamite. What's unique? BTS Dynamite YouTube record. In the 7 years since their debut, Dynamite is the group's first entirely English language single. Dynamite has a retro vibe, reminiscent in everything from its peppy tunes to the music video's set design saturated with ice cream and candy colors. This Friday, Korean pop group BTS released a surprise single, Dynamite, weeks before its planned album release later this year. As with most things pertaining to the group, it didn't take long for the single to top charts worldwide, as well as breaking records to become YouTube's most viewed video in 24 hours. What sets Dynamite apart? In the 7 years since their debut, Dynamite is the group's first entirely English language single. Their previous music commonplace in K-pop has been a mix of Korean and English. In a recent interview, the Korean Herald reported BTS leader RM saying that the group hadn't specifically planned on creating a song only in English, but later decided to do so. But while recording for our upcoming album, we thought this track's energy was so fun and fitting, and considering the ongoing situation around the world, we wanted to enjoy it as quickly as possible with as many people as possible, the Korea Herald reported RM saying. Approximately 6 months ago, BTS has released their fourth studio album, Map of Soul 7. What did BTS have to say about their single? Considering the track's melody and vibe, because it was so fun and cheerful, we thought it would be very fitting. We said, in addition to the music and composition of this single, the set design serves as a collection of Easter eggs for the group's most ardent fans who will meticulously peruse every frame to check for symbolic visual cues. In their press conference, group member Jimin specifically indicated that we had taken up the responsibility of visual direction for this song. For instance, the name of the song Dynamite is a recurring visual motif throughout the 3 minutes 43 seconds song, whether in the form of an aspect of a decorative sign to being used as a label for an ice cream truck. The Korea Herald reported that the group also acknowledged the coronavirus pandemic, indicating that it was one of the reasons behind their decision to release the single in the virtual press conference. Everyone, not just us, is having a hard time. The reason we are releasing a song that wasn't a part of our plan was because of this crisis, said we. Through this period, we again have reaffirmed our love for music. But most importantly, we realize the importance of people who listen to our music. We need them to do music. We sincerely hope Dynamite will deliver them the strength needed. Group member Jin said, through this song, we wanted to say this time is difficult, but let's overcome this together. And we wanted to deliver that through singing and dancing, which is what we do best. We also wanted to show a new side of us and hope everyone around the world gets a lot of strength from it. The pandemic was unexpected and we keep saying this, but we felt angry and didn't know what to do. RM added, once some time has passed, however, we began to realize while the virus may have put a temporary stop in our activity, it gave us time and opportunity to think about our music and attempt something new and different. Why is Dynamite unique? Over the past 7 years since their debut, the group has consistently emphasized on and acknowledged their fans, particularly their international fans, who have assisted in propelling the group to unprecedented stardom for a Korean pop group. in many ways, including in their decision to make this song entirely in English. The group has been focusing on targeting its international fans. The Korea Herald reported on how the group deviated from the norms of the K-pop industry by releasing the song at 1 p.m. Korea Standard Time instead of doing so at 6 p.m., the usual time slot. In what some observers believed that was a move to ensure that it did well on international music charts. The group has mastered the art of acknowledging and connecting with its diverse fandom around the world, and BTS's music, engagement, planning, and social media outreach has been indicative of that.